let's check out the little Falcon here. So, if y'all remember, there's what it did look like. I know you probably can't see it, but it's all bubbly there. There's what it was original. Here's what we're doing right now. Brand new hole patch, welded from here down. That's all new if you're out there watching Ron. And there's where we welded all that. So we went from what you saw over there to more of a, it's kind of crowded here, more of an open wheel well. Looks good. Looks real good. So again, from that there is what we got now. To, there's what it was. Oh my God, what is on this radio? Holy shit. I got the classic oldies on, and that ain't no oldies to me. Let's get rid of that shit and put a little Elvis Presley on there. Okay. And obviously those pieces, they came all out of these fenders, as you can see. Wonderful thing. Okay, so let's go check out what Sean's working on. Can't get around that way. He's working away on the Camaro, the 68 Camaro. Plugging away on her. Oh boy. So here's where all the dash got all painted up. You remember? Satin black. Painted all in here, satin black. But this is actually a 68. That's covered with the door panel. I got all that painted up. So that's looking good. Got to do the jams next. That'll be here on Monday. But Sean is in here. I can hear him. He's spraying right now. We can scooch in. A little bit of fumes won't kill us. There he is. There's the man. Spraying away. So he's getting all the fender edges in behind. Everything gets all sprayed, as you can see. Everything's sprayed that you can't get to later. Working away. And then he's got the doors to do. Wonderful, wonderful. The hood's all done, covered up over there. So we'll come back out when he gets her all done. We'll take a look. There's the deck lady. He's just putting the base on right now. That's the base. Let him do his thing. Get out of here. It's a little smelly. And we'll, yeah. Come back and check it out later. Okay. That's about it. Ooh, she's cold today. Cold today in the old Chilliwack. Got the Christmas parade tonight. Saturday night. Gonna take my beautiful wife down there and watch the Christmas parade and head over to check out a place called Whiskey Richards and have myself a whiskey or a pop. Pop sounds just as good to me, to be honest with you. And maybe get some appies, share a few appies, and I think that'll be a good evening for her and I. But for right now, I got to keep working. So I got stuff on the go. That is what's going on. Okay. Well, remember, Christmas is nearing. You can go to my website, Old Time Garage. Yeah! You got half a minute? Yeah, I'm coming. Okay, here I come. Okay, we'll shut this off. I'll be right back. Well, I'm back. Sean just had a couple questions there about where we're going on the cutoff lines with the base coat he's painting, but that was quick. Got to figure it out. Anyway, what I was going to show you was, I know you haven't seen me do much on Sundays lately because I've been told you've been doing kitchen renos, and kitchen renos are over. They're over. Now we're putting the kitchen back together. Thank God for that. Just putting shit in it, I mean, like all in the cupboards. But in the meantime, what I have been doing, even though I haven't been working on my cars, I did get, so this is a Maverick 8-inch, fits right in the back of a shoebox. I've had them forever. I've got a couple of them actually. I don't sell them because I know what they come in handy. You know, it's not the strongest diff in the world, but it's stronger than the diff in the shoebox, and it'll hold up. I'm just keeping a flathead in that car, so this diff will never break. I mean, you can put a small block Ford behind it at 302 and still light them up. It's good and strong. I just meant you don't want it. This isn't a diff that I would build if you're going to put like 400 or 500 horse behind it. I wouldn't do it for that, but these diffs are strong. So Anyway, it's all new bearings, gears, like it's just done, not the axles, but the axle bearings, the seals, all of it. I put 3.0 gears in it, so that way it'll be good on the highway. Yeah, so that is done for my shoebox. And what else I got going on for my shoebox is I did get all the floor pans came in. There we go. That's your rear pan, your 2 front pans. So that all came in, that's good. And I got all the supports that go underneath, and I got all my inner and outer rockers. There we are. Nice quality stuff. EMS, there you go. Really good quality. Very happy with them. So, and there's 2 of the braces, the other 2 are laying in the car. So, I'm thinking we're gonna have a Sunday fun day tomorrow. Because I'm thinking I'm gonna start, I gotta rip the sheet metal off, because the first thing I'm gonna do is replace the rockers. So I'm gonna start ripping the sheet metal off. We all know how that's gonna go. Never been apart, 1950. Every bolt's gonna be rusty and seized and break and busted knuckles and lots of swearing and all that kind of bullshit, but yeah, it's just what it's gonna be. Anyway, so we might have a video for a Sunday fun day, get back into it now. And what I was also gonna say is Christmas is around the corner. So oldtimegarage.ca, don't forget. I have plenty. Beer cozies, keychains, decals, the t-shirts. Still got some of the carried away shirts from the custom we did. We got the shirts with the pinup girl like that in black. There's not many white ones. I think there's only 3 or 4 there. We got toques. We got all sorts of stuff. So if you go online there, if you're looking for a little Christmas gift, you can do that. And if you're not, it's all fine. Don't matter. Okay, we'll be back in a bit and see what Sean's doing. Let's work our way back out into the shop here and see how Sean's made out. Oh. Let's take a look. See how he's done. Is he here even? Oh. I think he might have finished up and taken off. Let's take a look. Oh boy. Wow. So like I say, this is all stuff, this is in behind your fenders. We like to do all up in there. Now on the other part of the fender, in here, we've texture sprayed it. And this is the other, you know, this is where your fender's bolting up into your, you know, to the front of your car. The doors, look at that. Beautiful. Tuxedo Black was the name of this paint for 1968 Camaro. Somebody just called me. I want to give a big shout out. I think it was Howie. Howie, thumbs up, buddy. I don't know where you are. You say you've been here before. He called me and said, Rick, I'm glad you're doing your videos again. I haven't forgotten about the videos. I just got a busy life. And like I say, I don't do these videos on here to try and make money like everybody else is out there trying to make money and off it. I just do them for the hell of it. And when I feel like doing them, I'll do them. And if I don't want to do them, I won't do them because I got a life too to live, right? So that's how it goes. But I try and do them because I know you guys out there that have got your cars with me like to see your cars. Look at that shine. She's still settling down a bit. All this, you know, the solvents and everything, but looking good. Very happy. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, I better unplug this. He didn't unplug. There we go. Yeah. Chunk lid there. Excellent. Gotta love it. Yeah. So that's it. So we're gonna let this stuff dry up for the weekend. Leave her in the shop, and she'll be what she'll be. So hey, it's another day over. So it's always a good time at Old Time. And stay tuned. I'll try and get a Sunday Funday video up for you. See ya.